Hello everyone. So let's start today how basically we can buy SAP Server Access, okay, for the practice. Okay, so you can ping me if such cases, if you have a requirements, okay, for SAP Server, either ECC Server Access or S4 HANA Access for all module, either ABAP, functional, logistics, okay. So you can ping me or you can mail me. Definitely we will assist you for regarding SAP Server Access. So now we will see how basically we can access the SAP server for practice. Okay. So first of all, I mean, you will have to access GUI or you have to install. So basically depend upon which kind of access you are taking, either GUI based or remote server based. So I'm going to show you each one how basically we can use that access. Okay, so let's go ahead to the system first. So this is the remote access basically. Okay, but if in case if you have a ECC access, okay, so you will have to install. I'll show you. There is a GUI, okay, SAP GUI we call. Yes, this is GUI. If you want to access SAP ECC access, you have to install it. This GUI, SAP GUI. Then you will have here ABAP, ECC, or whatever the module you can access. You can access. If you double click here, it will open. You can put password and user ID. User ID and password, okay, you will access the ABAP system or ECC, any module systems. Okay, so this is based on your ECC GUI based access. But if in case if you need, okay, the remote access, even you can remote access, you can remote the access through remote like login. There is a remote here. See, this is a remote one. So through remotes, okay, you can access. So let's here we would like to show you how we can go ahead and okay. So first of all, you have to connect this remote servers. Okay, under this you will have here SAP logon. You can see here. So that would already installed over here. So just click over here. You will see here the BW HANA access. Okay, we have already configured like ECC. If you want to configure, you can configure it. If you go here, change, and you can put the description, server IP address, instance, and system ID, and click OK. But by default in the remote server, all the configuration has been automatically done by the provider. So no worry at all. Okay, so now I would like to tell you how we can log in into that. Okay, either ECC or SCC app first of all, okay, or any functional module. If you double click here, so it will ask you initial login, client 800, user ID and password. On English language, that is by default. Okay, so let's here, if you want to log in into ECC, so we will have here some login detail. Okay, so I'm going to log in over here. So we have here like user, and you have to put the password over here. See, now I successfully log in into the ECC server. So either ECC server you can use ABAP as a ABAP servers, or you can use functional, depend upon your requirements, how you want to. So basic things initially, I mean, you can check, I mean, what kind of server basically this is the ECC or S4HANA, go to here system, status, and you can check like what kind of the server database. So this is a MySQL database. Okay, this is not a HANA server. This is a ECC. You can see ECC EHP 7 versions. Basically, this is how we can check. If you want more detail about the versions, you can go here and check install product versions. So you will see the detail about it. All this like modules over here. So this is how basically we can log in into your ECC basically servers. Okay, and these all the detail your provider will provide you. Even we can provide you. If you want, you can comment me, definitely we will assist you, or mail you can anytime. Okay, now this is we have it. Okay, if in case if you want to log in into the BW on HANA, just double click over here. Yes, you can give the here password, username and password, and users should be here. Let's like we have a BW also. Yes, same password we have it. Go here. Yes, you can see this is how. So if you go to the RSA one, this is the first T code for this BW. You can initially, you can check here. Similarly, you can go system here and check the status about that servers. This is a HANA database. You can see clearly mentioned here. okay, BW on HANA servers, and you can see the date and time, all they are here. Okay, and now this is a complete modeling tool. If you are aware about the BW servers, the system, you can understand. Okay, this is the source system, data source, info provider, and all. Okay, so this is how it works basically. So this is the basics, like a beginner. Okay, and like how we can initially log in into the ECC or S4 HANA servers. Okay, and start working on it. So please like, subscribe. Definitely you can share it with your friend and comment me if you in case any questions or any suggestions. Thank you so much for watching this video.